Drummond bee.
Ah, there's a bee in the school.
And we're with me and be friends.
The lion and the dog go out for lunch. Hi, lion. Hi, dog. Why don't you go out for lunch?
Let's go eat it.
I heard it's good. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's Emma's. I'm full. Let's go to sleep in. Elephant and the cat. Let's go to the park. Let's go on the seesaw. The elephant's too strong and the seesaw wouldn't work. The elephant gets off and puts his trunk on, and then the teeter-totter goes up and down, up and down. The elephant lives happy ever after the end. Piggy goes to school. What should we do? I'm bored of the farm. Let's go to school. Let's take the train to school. And then they went back home. The runaway chicken. I'm so bored. There's nothing to do here on this farm. I can only run in circles. I'm going over the back and I'm going to another farm. I'm bored at this farm. I can only go in circles. I'm going to another farm to find some friends. Hey, horse, I found a friend.